Before today, what's your experience of ADAS calibration?
So obviously we see it in the garage, obviously after repairs, we often send them out to companies that do ADAS, or we have mobile services, but never really had any interaction with it personally. But it's definitely something we're seeing more and more frequent now in the workshop.
And then your thoughts on the diagnostic tools that you've had a look at today as well?
Yeah, actually, really nice stuff. We've had a look at two options today. The data platform integrated into it is pretty good. Best I've seen actually from a lot of diagnostic equipment. Easy to use, layout's quite good, it's very straightforward. It seems very user-friendly and easy to navigate.
What was you expecting from today? Did you sort of get the answers that you were looking for?
With Hella coming today, really, I was looking to sort of get a better understanding of the system, how it works, and for me, from a commercial aspect, how difficult it is to do. What is the realistic chance of return on the investment that you're going to make on doing this kit? So, yeah, I certainly had all those questions answered. It's really good to have an understanding for me, so you can think about the commercial aspects of it later.
Can you talk us through the equipment that you showcased today?
So today I'll be using the CSC-Tool mobile that I bought here in the VW Arteon, the 360 mats that we use for Volkswagen Audi Group, and obviously the Radar Evo plates for front radar.
What's the next step in this process?
So if Tim and the guys here are happy with seeing the equipment and they'd like to invest in it, we would come in and do what we call product training or product induction. Once they're happy and they're getting a bit of confidence with the products, with the diagnostic tool, with the ADAS system, and understanding how it works, then we sort of get them booked in with Steve Fox, our technical training manager, and go through an AOM 230 IMI accreditation.
Perfect, thank you very much.